MobileMechanicMemphis.com.
Roadside Assistance, Bartlett, Tennessee, emergency vehicle road service for Bartlett drivers. Car troubles don't wait for the perfect moment. Whether it's a flat tire, a dead battery, or running out of gas, emergencies happen when we least expect them. A1 Mobile Auto Mechanic Memphis serves Bartlett and Shelby County. Call 901-881-7850 and we'll get you back on the road. At A1 Mobile Auto Mechanic Memphis, we offer a wide range of emergency roadside services, including flat tire repairs and replacements, battery jump starts and replacements, lockout services, fuel delivery, fast, reliable, and affordable solutions. Wondering about the cost of roadside assistance? At A1 Mobile Auto Mechanic Memphis, we keep things simple and fair. Here's a quick look at our rates. Flat tire repair, battery jumpstart, lockout service, fuel delivery. We provide upfront pricing with no hidden fees, so you know exactly what to expect. At A1 Mobile Auto Mechanic Memphis, we believe every journey matters. We keep your vehicle in peak condition. Keep exploring. Why do Bartlett drivers trust A1 Mobile Auto Mechanic Memphis? Fast response times. We know Bartlett well, so we'll reach you quickly. 24/7 availability. Car troubles don't keep a schedule, and neither do we. Call us anytime at 901-881-7850. Transparent pricing, no surprises, just fair, honest rates. Experienced mechanics. Our team is professional, friendly, and equipped to handle any situation. I had a flat tire on the way to work. A1 Mobile Auto Mechanic Memphis arrived in under 30 minutes. Fast, affordable, and professional.
MobileMechanicMemphis.com.
If you're waiting for help, here are a few tips to stay safe. Pull over to a secure location and turn on your hazard lights. Call us at 901-881-7850 and share your exact location. Stay in your vehicle if it's safe to do so. We'll handle the rest. Bartlett and Shelby County drivers, don't let car troubles ruin your day. Call A1 Mobile Auto Mechanic Memphis at 901-881-7850. We're here to keep you moving wherever the road takes you. Reliable, fast, and always here when you need us. Call us today.